To do the real-time changes, we need to comment the fetch event listener, since we don't want to catch our different data requests. In this lecture, we just want to make our app to get the real-time data. We will back to the offline function later. So we comment this, and then we go to the db.js, and then we type db.collection, and inside here we put context. The onSnapshot method is setting up a real-time listener to the context. When there is a change, it will send back to use. So now we can see the changes by using the console.log snapshot.changes. And now if we back to the web and we check out the console, we go to the applications and we move the site data, and then we refresh the app. Now you see that from the db.js there are an array. There are 3 data with the type added, which means there are 3 data is added since our last snapshot. So if we try to add another data, such as Amy, and then we type some numbers and then press add, now you see there is just 1 because there is just 1 data is added since our snapshot. And if we go to our Firebase and then we go to delete the document, and then we go back to the website and see the console, you can see the type is removed. And if we go to cycling through the changes, so we back to the db.js, and instead of using console.log, we are going to use the snapshot.changes for each, and then change, and then console.log change. Now you can see this displayed one by one. We can also display the doc by using change.data and also the change.id. Now you can see the change, the document, including the favorite name and also the phone, and also the document ID. You can see the Alan is N41PT. So if you go to this N41PT, you will see the Alan is here. So at last, we want to do different things by different change type. So here we delete this one, and then we said if change.type is equal to add, then we console.log the change.id is added, and then if the type is removed, then we will console.log the document ID is removed. So now if we delete Alan, then you can see the ID is removed. If we now go to add back the Alan, you can see the ID is added, and which is here.